Hello and welcome to another daily dose of destiny. How are you all doing today? I wanted to talk about Twitter trending. I find it very interesting what trends on Twitter, meaning are very popular on the internet. It's really weird because some of the stuff that's trending on Twitter is the weirdest stuff. Like, I was looking at it yesterday and it said chubby checkers or checker, and I guess it's a person, and I looked it up on Google and it's actually the guy that makes that song, "Come on baby, let's do the twist, come on baby, let's do the twist," you know, that dance and whatever. I guess that's who a chubby checker is. Weird things you find out by the Twitter trends, isn't it? And then, you know, there's countless of strange things that pop up on Twitter. Like yesterday, it was National Taco Tuesday or something. And I was like, there's a taco day? Now foods have their own holidays. It's like, it's so interesting to look at the trends of Twitter. Pretty interesting. Oh, and I finally got footage of that hummingbird that was attacking the other hummingbirds, and I also got some footage of the clouds today. So, without further ado, here you go. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I had a lot of fun doing it. In other news, I was talking to my friends at the college, and we started a discussion about short films because I was talking about my YouTube and the fact that I kind of want to do more short films on my main channel, because I am a film major and I have some scripts that I've been, you know, storing in the dust. You know, they're catching up quite a bit of dust right now. So we were talking about one of them, and it seems promising, and it seems that some of them might want to act in them, and that's something that I've been seriously lacking, is actors. And I've been begging people practically to help me, but some people, you know, just don't have that motivation, or they don't really have the skill, no offense, but that was really exciting to me. Also, in the same day, I talked to another friend that I met in my recording techniques class, and he's interested in making kind of a music video type thing, because he does music and he wants to start up on YouTube, and so that's going to be interesting if I'm able to help him out with that, and I'm pretty excited about it. So that is all that's going on in my life right now. You all are very awesome, and I thank you so much for watching. Please tune in next time for your date with destiny.